Guys, look at the amount of dust flying right now. Now, where do I set up a camera in this kind of condition and where do I record? It's impossible. Hello folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. I hope everyone's doing awesome. Now you folks know I just got this Rustler and it's fully upgraded now and it's ready to go out and have some fun. But there's a little deal with the Rustler, the wheels that it comes with, the stock wheels. They're not bad, but they get worn out pretty fast. Now talk about the rear wheels. They lose their grip pretty instantly in about 4 or 5 runs. You're gonna see a lot of difference. Meanwhile, with the front tire of the Rustler is actually my favorite when it comes to traction because of these lines. When you go off-roading or even on the street, this thing performs really good. So the only thing pretty much I want in my Rustler is the rear wheels. Now there's lots of different brands for tires and wheels. My favorite is Proline Racing. And here are some of the tires that I've acquired in the past few months for my RCs. And we're going to talk about these tires today and what's the best for your RC and what are you going to have fun with. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. And as usual guys, welcome to my workshop. Alright folks, so now what kind of tire would you need or what kind of tire would you like? Now that totally depends on what you want to do with the RC. So some of these tires that I have, they're for off-roading. So the first one here I have is a Proline 2.8 Intercoast. They're also known as Super Swampers. Now the treads on these things help in the turning really nicely. So when you're turning, your RC kind of slides just a little bit perfect to give it that cornering and turns perfect and just carries on. So this thing is absolutely amazing for traction. Less ballooning, more traction, and good for off-roading. Super Swampers. After that comes the Proline Trenchers. They are very, very, very popular. And these have been around for quite a long time, guys. And a lot of you folks have already had these. And you guys could see the side treads on these. So this thing grips really, really good even in the mud and all that kind of stuff. So if you take these things in a deep mud, you're going to have no problems coming out of it. And surprisingly, I've taken these things out once in snow. They throw the powder snow pretty good. Next up here we have is the Proline Mashers. Now the Mashers here are an off-road and on-road all-rounder. These things perform really good on the pavement as well. The treads look amazing because the traction, the handling improves with the Mashers, and I would recommend these for the front. Now if you guys want to have any kind of mods for the tires in the front, I would recommend the Mashers because they help with more turning and they have lots of traction with lots of speed. If you're going high speed, say 50-60 miles an hour off-roading, you're going to need these because these are going to help you turn more. Now next up here is my favorite, guys. This is my hot favorite, Proline Badlands MX28 2.8s. Now these things pop and rock, guys. These things are amazing. The traction these things provide is another level. Off-roading, on-roading, snow, mud, water, you name it. These things are a winner. And why I'm saying this is because once I got these, I forgot about a lot of tires that I've had. I'm not going to name them. But I forgot about a lot of tires that I had, and these were my favorite. And they're still my favorite. So when it comes to bashing, you want to go high-speed jumps, this is what you need. Superb traction, and an incredible job by Proline for the tread design that they made here. Amazing. So give it a go, guys. Badlands. If you haven't had these, Badlands is the way to go. Alright, and last but not the least, one of my hot favorites still, because of the looks, and also performance-wise they do pretty good, the Proline Primes 2.8s. Now these things do take a bit of time to warm up, but once they do warm up, guys, I kid you not, these things grip so good, and these things are not going anywhere. I mean, you guys do see a little bit of treads on them, and the good thing about these tires are they rarely balloon, guys. I mean, they balloon a little bit because there's science behind it. There's holes here. There's going to be pressure in the tires. There's a foam in there. So there's going to be some ballooning. But as compared to the Trenchers, which are obviously two different tires, but I'm just throwing it out there. these things balloon way less, and they are very good for streets and speed runs, whatnot. Now, I'm not talking 100 miles an hour runs, but I'm pretty sure, more than positive, this is pretty good for 70 miles an hour runs. And apart from that, I'll see you guys later in another video. Have a great day. See you later. Peace.